Well, as you mentioned, as everything grows, your team is growing as well, I
Mhm,
imagine.
mhm.
What strategies do you employ to have a great team, to have a motivated, quality staff of team members?
Boy, that's the challenge, isn't it? The
Seems to
running
be.
joke is it's hard to get good help. um, I do have a really good staff though.
Mhm,
Right now we have a really kick butt staff.
mhm,
I have two managers that um, I trust them with anything. Fun fact: we are leaving Thursday to go on a cruise for 3 weeks. We're going to be in the Caribbean. I have a manager for the laundromat. I have a manager for pickup and delivery, and I trust
mhm,
them with everything. Now, the manager of pickup and delivery is also my husband's daughter, so she's family.
mhm,
Definitely can trust her.
mhm,
Um, my other store manager's been with me both of them been going on 3 years. Been with
mhm,
me. I trust them all with everything. They know
mhm,
what they're doing. Smooth operation.
mhm,
I hire for personality,
mhm,
customer service skills, and for problem solving skills.
mhm.
We can teach them laundry. I can teach them anything else about the business, but you've
Right.
got to be. If I can't see you working at Chick-fil-A,
Mhm.
basically, I can't see you working for me. So
Oh, that's a good point. Mhm.
that's
Yeah.
the challenge when you get applicants coming in, because there's such a stigma in the laundromat industry of, oh well, this. How many comments do you hear? Oh well, this looks like this would be an easy job. Really? Does it look like my guys and gals, everybody just standing around doing nothing? They're always
Mhm,
sweeping, they're cleaning, they're taking care of people, they're go, go, go. It can be easy, or
mhm,
it's not something where you're just going to sit around and play on your phone. That'll get
mhm,
you fired in a heartbeat, but
mhm,
be the usual slow to hire and quick to fire.
mhm, mhm.
Because another thing I like to say is your business is only as good as your worst employee,
Mm,
because
right.
that'll be the time when your really cranky customer comes in as they get
Mhm,
your worst employee, and then
mhm,
great,
mhm.
there's your 1-star reviews pouring in. So
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. No, they're the face of your business. So
they are they are
it's you're right to mention that. That's great stuff.
Yeah.